Futures on the US stock indexes are trading slightly lower on the bank holiday. The US dollar perked up against its major rivals, except the Canadian dollar. Yesterday, the US Commerce Department reported the strongest on record expansion in the domestic economy. American trading floors are closed on the occasion of Thanksgiving Day. Nevertheless, futures on the US stock indexes are still trading today. On Friday, US markets are due to work a shorter day. Recently, exchange floors in the United States have been trading with an elevated mood. Market participants hope that the coronavirus vaccine will be introduced soon. Indeed, mass vaccination is sure to improve economic conditions worldwide. First, futures on the US benchmark indexes developed steady growth, which was followed by a decline. Futures on the Dow Jones were 0.04% down. The S&P 500 logged a 0.1% downtick. On the contrary, the Nasdaq 100 rose 0.6%. In the early European trade, the US dollar was losing ground amid optimistic sentiment across global trading floors and hopes for the soonest economic recovery. Successful human trials of vaccines for the coronavirus encouraged traders to shift focus towards riskier currencies. Later in the trading day, the US dollar made an upward correction. Its index gained 0.17% to trade at 92.09 at the moment of the news release. Yesterday, on November 25th, the US Commerce Department reported that the US economy expanded 33.1% in the third quarter on a yearly basis. This is the highest GDP growth on record. The third quarter revealed that the national economy has been reviving robustly following a sharp driven by the COVID-19 crisis and lockdown measures. Meanwhile, the US dollar is extending its slide versus the Canadian counterpart. The currency pair settled down at 1.2999, having shed 0.03%. Yesterday, the Federal Reserve posted the minutes of its latest policy meeting. Fed officials discussed various options of bond buying to prop up the economic recovery. One of the options is shifting focus towards assets with a longer maturity. If this measure is approved, it could increase pressure on the US dollar, thus maintaining long-term yields at low levels that will discourage investors. That's all for today. We keep monitoring the financial market situation. Subscribe to our channel and see you tomorrow.